Happy Monday morning, folks. Today I'm going to show you how I make 18th century fat wax. This is a recipe that I came across through a YouTube video and a lot of research into reprinted 18th century cookery books. And it's very, very simple. Now, this is all natural, pasture-raised, grass-fed products. Totally organic. Don't bother with the supermarket. The supermarket is full of poison. Everything is factory raised, full of chemicals, antibiotics. I don't want to get into the whole mess, but it's disgusting. So if you want something that will not only condition your skin, and ladies, it does get rid of wrinkles, it gives you baby skin. It is totally natural and organic, but this recipe was used by our ancestors not just for skincare and to protect your skin against the sun, the wind, the cold, and the bugs, but they used it to condition their leather, and they also used it to condition their tools. And it extends the life of everything because it's completely natural. So for 2 to 3 ounce cake of fat wax skin lotion, I use 1 tablespoon of beef tallow or lard, and this is lard. It's uncured and it's unsalted because, ladies, we don't want to put salt on our skin. That's not a good idea. So 1 tablespoon of that. I put it into an old enamel pot. I keep the flame low. I don't have it melting right now because it takes some time, and I don't want to make videos that are super long anymore. I made one that was 17 or 19 minutes long. I'd rather not do that. So anyhow, back to the recipe. This is beeswax, totally organic, made by a friend in a neighboring town. She's big into bees. This is a darker color than what I'm used to. I thought it was going to make the cake come out kind of dark, but it didn't. It lightened up as it cooled, which is really cool. These tools of destruction, I just learned this morning. I need a serrated knife to score this beeswax cake, and then I gotta hammer it with a screwdriver. I should have my flathead. My flathead must be downstairs. But to get this out of here, just melt it, to get it out of the grooves of the Phillips head. And to the 1 tablespoon, you need about half a tablespoon of beeswax. And the beeswax is it's amazingly nourishing for your skin, and it gives it a very nice glow, and it feeds your skin. This recipe will feed your skin. This is food. You can eat everything here except the mica, but I'll get to that in a minute. So the beeswax, not only nourishing for the skin, but it binds the beef tallow and the bacon fat, and it keeps it from becoming a big sloppy gloppy mess. So if you just put maybe half a teaspoon in there, you'll be good. Any more and it comes out harder, just remelt it and add a little bit, maybe half a tablespoon of beef tallow or bacon fat. Grass-fed, pasture-raised butter. I just like to put butter in. I don't think you have to. I don't think it makes any difference. I mean, this is all natural to begin with. What difference is it going to make to put butter in there? I just think it's a lot of fun. This is Organic Shea Butter. These products, the main products come from Ghana, but this finished product is made in the kitchen in Harlem in New York City, and I've been buying from them for many years. It's a great price. It's an excellent product. You can get the light or the dark. I like the light because, well, I'm a white girl. When I'm done with these cakes, when they have fully hardened, I will package them in these little plastic sleeves, and that's because if this gets up against something, I mean, it's meant to condition. So it'll condition anything. So if you have it in a toiletries bag or something like that, it's going to kind of rub off on things, and then you got a cleanup to do. So that's why I put them in here. The mica is just for a little effect. You don't have to use the mica. This is naturally mined organic mica. It's not synthetic. This is real mica. And I'll take a little paintbrush and do a little dab on the bottom, just tiny bit. You don't want too much. Mica can be abrasive, so you don't want to use too much of it. As a gift, it makes it look very pretty and sparkly and very attractive. I do use this in, I make my own lip balm I just use an old tube until I can't use it anymore. And I just rub the edge off, cut the edge off onto the tube, and I just keep pushing it down. But what I'll do if I want some color is I'll use beet powder for a light color, and if I want a dark color for the winter months, I will use the beet powder with paprika and clove and cinnamon, and that will darken it. Make sure all the products are completely organic, and it's just nice to have a little sparkle sometimes. I kind of like glam a little bit. So cleanup is very, very easy. Always have your paper towels. As soon as you pour into the mold and this is empty, wipe it out with the towel. There's no reason to use soap and water because I don't know if I said it already, but these products, this finished product, all these products have a shelf life of almost eternity. I don't know if anybody remembers, but grandmas, great-grandmas always had a container up in the cabinet and a shelf in a cabinet somewhere, and up in the pantry. My grandmother had a big pot up in the pantry of saved bacon fat because they used it to cook with. And regardless of what we've been told since World War II, saturated fat is not bad for you. It's good for you. I'm not going to get into a lot of medical stuff, but of course the product must be pasture raised, grass fed, purely organic. Get to know your farmer, get to know your butcher, get to know the people your butcher does business with. Know where your food is coming from. And then you can make these amazing products. And ladies, I'm telling you, that's the key to healthy skin. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I'll put the recipe in the description, and please try it yourself at home. It's very easy to do. It takes me from start to finish maybe 10 minutes from breaking the the beeswax up, getting everything melted, to clean up nice and easy and quick. And it's a hell of a lot cheaper than going to the Clinique counter and getting something that's full of chemicals. Okay, I'm not going to go any further. Everybody have a good day. Bye-bye.